Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2nd generation with your Android phone. So to do this, we are gonna pair them by using standard Bluetooth settings, and after that we are gonna use the Sennheiser application to get more features like equalizer, or for example we can customize the touch gestures. So first of all, you have to input both earbuds inside this charging case, then remove them. Next, click and hold these two touchpads until this indicators starts blinking blue and red. As you can see, the right one is blinking, so we can release them. Put them close to your phone. Next, open the Bluetooth settings on your Android phone, click to pair new device, and select them from available devices list. As you can see, in my case it goes smooth without any problem. As you can see, we are successfully connected. Next, we have to open the Play Store, click on search pool, and we have to download the Sennheiser application. So we have to get this application, that's the Sennheiser Smart Control. So let's install. Right now let's open. Accept all this stuff right here, click continue, then click skip in the right upper corner. Click to continue. We want to get the notifications about the new firmware, it will be definitely useful. Let's allow connection for the Bluetooth. And as you can see, when we previously connect them by the standard Bluetooth settings, we'll be able to find them already here. Click pair. And as you can see, we are successfully connected. So as you can see, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.